Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter organizing, that is delegation and decentralization. So what do we mean by the delegation of authority? The meaning of delegation of authority, properly known as delegation, is an important part of organizing process. It need felt when due to the excessive workload on manager. He is unable to perform all the job independently. In this situation, he divide his work among the subordinate, but just mere division of work does not guarantee success. For successful work performance, authority should be given to the subordinate to take work-related decisions. Thus, the divisions of work assigned authority for successful work performance is called delegations of authority. Next, the definitions of delegations of authority means, according to the FG mode, delegation of authority means assigning work to the other and giving them the authority to do it. The element of the delegation of authority. In order to study delegations of authority in detail, the first initial understand the meaning of the element, that is responsibility, and responsibility, authority, and accountability. The first, responsibility. The responsibility is the obligations of subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. When a superior assign a job to his subordinate, it becomes the responsibility of the subordinate to complete that job. This means that the responsibility come into only the plan after the job has been assigned. To assign the job can be called assigned responsibility. The feature of responsibility can be assigned to some other persons. The essence of responsibility is to be a dutiful. It get originated because of a superior subordinate relationship. Second, authority. Authority means the power to take decisions, and decisions can be related to the useful resources to do or not to do something. And the features of authority. Authority can be assigned some other person. It is related to the post. With the change of post, even authority change. It make implementation decision possible. Authority is the key managerial job because the post without authority cannot be marginal post. The next, accountability. Accountability means the answerability of the subordinate to his superior for his work performance. In other words, we can say that when a superior assign a job work, the responsibility to his subordinate, the simultaneously he give authority to them, which make the workers accountable to their superior for their work performance. The features, accountability can be delegated to some other person. It is only towards the delegator. It is based in the senior subordinate relationship. It is originated because of the delegations of authority. The difference between the responsibility and accountability is the responsibility assigned job. Accountability is answerable to the superior for the work performed, and delegations, the responsibility or the work can be delegated to some other persons, or accountability cannot be delegated to some other persons. The origin relationship between senior and subordinate, and the delegations of authority. Thank you.